Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I want you to imagine something. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you, please call me back on the following number. And that number starts with 0916. So do you know which network that is? If you don't, no worries. In this video, I will show you in a matter of seconds how to figure that out so you can call your customer with the right telecom operator. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to login on couponbet.com, and once you're logged in, you're here on the dashboard. You just click here on the Tools tab. And now once you're on the Tools, you will see all the functions of the Tools tab, and we have to scroll down all to the bottom to the Provider Prefix Checker, where we can find which network the telecom provider has with that number. So the prefix is 09, so let's type it in, 0916. And there you are. You can see instantly this is a globe number. And that's really how CouponBet is designed. CouponBet is designed to help your travel agency to be more organized and to help you to serve your customers better. So now you know exactly with which network you need to call your customer. So if you like CouponBet and you want to organize your travel agency, just go to couponbet.com and register right away for an account.